love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
And we're talking about a brand that has already been flying off the shelves in the offline space for quite a while. Tecno. Now Tecno has boarded the Flipkart Express with its Tecno Spark Power 2. And boy, does this one have lots of spark and lots of power in it. Now the Spark Power 2 is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor and 4GB of RAM. Now remember, most phones around this price point either opt for the Helio G70 or the Snapdragon 665, and the P22 outperforms both those chipsets big time. So is it good enough for games? Bilkul hai. You can actually have multiple chicken dinners at very balanced settings. In fact, if you look at the large slew of phones that already directly compete in terms of hardware and other features at this price point, the Tecno Spark Power 2 is the cheapest while performing right at the top. Actually, there are 3 or 4 things in this phone that are very unusual that you don't get at this price point. I'll start with my favorite, a massive 6000 mAh battery. Yes, under 10K, 6000 mAh, and also supports 18-watt fast charging directly out of the box. That means you can push this through 2 days of usage. If you're a normal user, 2 din aaram se, but you can get more than half the battery charged if you give it 1 hour at your plug point. Few other competing phones that offer battery with such a large capacity are usually 4,000 to 5,000 rupees more than the Spark Power 2. Remember, under 10K. Now, chalte hain towards the other big ticket item that the Spark Power 2 have, and that is 7-inch HD Plus display. 7-inch. Once again, I'm saying it, 7-inch at under 10K. One of the largest screen sizes on any current phone, plus easily the largest at this price point. Then it has a screen to body ratio of 90.6% क्योंकि इसमें है dew drop notch on the top, and it's very nicely done, almost नहीं दिखता है, and a very immersive 20.5:9 aspect ratio. And you can continue using content anywhere you go because the screen gets quite bright. It gets up to 480 nits. हम लोग ने इसको बाहर भी try किया in sunlight. It actually works. You can get clear, loud stereo sound also because of the optimized move to the camera department. The Tecno Spark Power 2 offers you great photos with its 16 megapixel primary sensor. Images taken during the day have great clarity, very nice color reproduction. 5 megapixel wide angle sensor that helps framing in very tight spaces. It also doubles up as a very fun macro camera. फिर इसमें है 2 megapixel का bokeh lens which makes its very good contribution to portrait images. Lastly comes the AI part of the camera. ये जो है बहुत हेल्प करता है बहुत सारे सिनेरियोज में, लाइक डिटेक्टिंग द बेस्ट सेटिंग फॉर ऑटो मोड. Artificial intelligence AI HDR, which breathes life into otherwise very relatively bland fake photos. Then there is an AI body shaping mode. वो आपको दिखाएगा what you can look like. अगर आप थोड़ा सा अपना diet change करें and you start to exercise, it will show you what you look like. This is also one of those few phones that offers a dedicated smart key to summon Google Assistant. That's very smart. What's also smart is the set of security features. इसमें fast face unlock है that works very well, and that doesn't work if your eyes are closed. So good security. Very fast fingerprint scanner that has some smart gestures also built into it. So who is the Tecno Spark Power 2 for? It's for anyone who keeps visiting Flipkart looking for a new phone, और आप सेटिंग में देते हैं price filter to less than 10,000 rupees. क्योंकि जो features इसमें आ गए हैं, it offers, actually makes it compete with the best phones by Realme, Redmi, Oppo, Vivo, and even Samsung. But mostly none of them will pass through the filter that the other parts that I'm going to talk about, because they are much costlier, or they have a smaller screen, or their cameras aren't like the ones that have been given in this. Look at that array of cameras. Or maybe they won't last as long because they have much smaller batteries or they don't have this kind of fast charging. Spark Power 2 में है 7-inch screen, 6000 mAh battery, fast charge, dual speaker and great camera and optics, and that makes it power ahead.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.